Hey tech fans, Nothing Phone 3 just dropped in London, rocking a transparent design and AI-powered features that rival Apple and Samsung. Is this the coolest smartphone of 2025? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest tech news. Let's dive into this game-changing phone. The Nothing Phone 3 is turning heads with its see-through back, triple 50-megapixel cameras, and AI smarts. With its Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 and epic battery life, it's ready to take on the big dogs. Want to see why it's so unique? Keep watching. The Nothing Phone 3's transparent back is a showstopper, packed with intricate knobs and rings for a futuristic vibe. Its 6.67-inch AMOLED display boasts 1.5K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate for buttery smooth visuals. Plus, the glyph matrix, a mini LED screen on the back, lets you play games, show patterns, or check info in style. This phone's a head-turner. The triple camera setup rocks three 50-megapixel lenses, a primary, ultra-wide, and periscope telephoto with 3x optical and 60x digital zoom. AI features like portrait blur, skin tone correction, and facial recognition deliver pro-level photos. Then there's Essential Search for natural language queries to find files or settings, and Essential Space for auto-transcribing meetings. It's AI done right. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, the Phone 3 is blazing fast. Its quick-charging battery lasts all day, and with Android 15, you get 5 years of software updates and 7 years of security patches. This phone is built to stay cutting-edge. Could it outshine the iPhone or Galaxy? Nothing's Phone 3 blends bold design, AI innovation, and flagship performance to challenge industry giants. Its transparent look, glyph matrix, and long-term support make it a standout for tech lovers. Which features got you hyped? Drop it below. That's the scoop on the Nothing Phone 3's epic debut. Are you obsessed with the transparent design or the AI-powered camera? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news and want more smartphone scoops, then smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.